Alright, hey, this is Felicia from Girl and Her Yarn. I'm going to do a quick video. I just ordered some Knit Picks yarn and it just arrived today. So instead of doing my normal setup, I'm just going to do something quick because I am really tired after work today. So yeah, so let's look at it and let's open up the package and look at it. Alright, so I've never purchased yarn from Knit Picks before. I've always just usually gone to my local yarn shop or just stuck with brands that I know. So this is the first Knit Picks yarn I've ever gotten. I got 3 colors, and I should also tell you what it is that I got, which I will tell you very shortly. I got a Hawthorne fingering kettle dye. It's a superwash merino and actually has a 20% nylon content. So I got slate, which blends in really nicely with my couch, compass, and what are you? You are Poseidon. Look at that awesome color. Alright, so about this yarn, I like that it's heathered. It's not just like all the other yarns that I typically like. It's not a solid color all the way through on these skeins. And they are pretty soft. They're not the softest I've ever used, but they are merino and nylon, so of course they wouldn't really be the softest I've ever used compared to like the silk blends and the cashmere blends I've used. Pretty good yarn. I like it. All 3 of these are going to be used in a future project, which I'm probably going to start tonight if my wrists can take it. And I will keep you guys posted on what the project's going to be and what it looks like. Alright, well, a biento. Alright, so update about the Knit Picks yarn. I was actually able to finish the project that I was going to make with it because it's been so long since I have filmed that video and then not uploaded it so I can put it into the same video. Yeah, life gets in the way. Alright, well, here it is. So I made a wood bridge out of it. And I love I cannot get the camera right. I love how the colors have turned out on this one. And let me go lay it out on the ground so you guys can see how it completely looks and not just wrapped up. Okay, I've had to kind of curl it a little bit because I don't have the space to fully lay it out, but that's what it looks like fully done. The kettle dye nature of the yarn has definitely given it a heathered look, which, as you can tell from my previous videos, I love doing, and I love yarn that looks like that. So yeah, overall, love the Knit Pick look of Woodbridge. All right, well, over and out.